Meghan's nightmare. Piers Morgan gives Sussex a sharp jab as dubbing her two-faced after legal win. Piers Morgan slammed Meghan Markle as two-faced after she won her legal battle yesterday. The TV show host branded the Duchess of Sussex Princess Pinocchio BT following her latest privacy victory. A court ruled the Mail on Sunday did violate Meghan's privacy by publishing the content of a letter she wrote to her father, Thomas. Publishers Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, launched an appeal against a decision to grant a summary judgment, meaning Meghan didn't need to face a high-profile trial. Judges at the Court of Appeal today ruled in Meghan's favour and dismissed the appeal, despite ANL's lawyers alleging fresh claims had threatened her credibility. Lashing out at the royal today, Morgan tweeted, a responsive statement from Piers, the Earl of exposing Princess Pinocchio BT, will be published shortly. Following the ruling, Meghan released a statement accusing the Mail on Sunday of treating the case as a game with no rules, adding, "This is a victory not just for me, but for anyone who has ever felt scared to stand up for what's right." But Morgan, the former host of Good Morning Britain, blasted Meghan, saying that the case was beyond parody. Writing in his Daily Mail column, Morgan said, "She can claim victory all she likes after this court case, but all it really did was expose her real character to the world and the cold hard two-faced reality at the heart of Meghan and Harry's attitude to privacy. If I were her, I'd stick the celebratory champagne back in the fridge today. Thanks to this court case, we've now seen what the real Meghan looks like, fork tongue and all." Meghan sensationally won the privacy row in February after it published extracts of the handwritten note to her dad. She said the articles misused her private information, infringed her copyright and breached the Data Protection Act. Lord Justice Warby said publication of the letter was manifestly excessive and hence unlawful. During the three-day appeal hearing, the court was presented with a string of sensational claims. Meghan even issued an apology to the court for misleading them after suffering an apparent memory lapse when it was revealed she had briefed an aide over book Finding Freedom. Other allegations centered around the letter she wrote her dad in 2018 that breached her copyright and privacy. Meghan maintained previously she sent her estranged father the heartfelt 5-page letter after they reached breaking point. But in a fresh statement, she said she only wrote the 1,250-word note on advice of senior royals A and B after significant pressure was put on her and Prince Harry. And she lashed out at the royals, accusing them of constantly berating Harry over her dad's actions in a text to her former press secretary. ANL are now considering appealing the decision to the Supreme Court. Before tasked, Piers Morgan is not doubling down on his comments about Meghan Markle that led to him leaving Good Morning Britain. The former newspaper editor is reveling in the news that the Duchess of Sussex misled a British court after she failed to remember giving authorization to a senior aide to brief the authors of biography, Finding Freedom. Meghan, 40, has since apologized in a new witness statement, where she accepted that Press Secretary Jason Knauf did brief the authors of Finding Freedom with her knowledge. Piers uploaded a montage of newspapers with headlines about Meghan's apology to the court alongside the message on the microblogging site. In Mac, TV star Piers resigned from ITV breakfast show GMB after he claimed he didn't believe all of the claims made by the Duchess of Sussex in a TV interview with Oprah Winfrey. In the programme, Piers took aim at Meghan's comment about her and Harry secretly marrying days before their multi-million-pound public wedding. Her claim was later proven to be inaccurate, with the Archbishop of Canterbury, the Most Reverend Justin Welby, confirming that no official documents were signed. Of that particular mistruth, Piers says, "They were downright lies. I don't believe a word she says. That ceremony would make the Archbishop of Canterbury a criminal." Most notably, he has said he didn't believe her claims that she had struggled with suicidal thoughts while she was pregnant with baby Archie.